Hi, today I'm for with me Alcatel 1T10 Smart 2020, and I'll show you how to activate always on display option on this device. So unfortunately we have no installed by default AD option, that's why we should get the application from the Play Store. So in the search pool enter the Muviz app. Oh, but be sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi. So in the search pool enter the Muviz Edge, tap the install button to get this application and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download and then install it on your device. So after that, tap to open the app and here click to draw over apps. Here find the switcher, tap on it and click to go back to the application. Tap to add this option and select one from the available tabs. Tap to apply and now let's just lock the device. And we could see that the always on display option successfully activated. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.